Good day, mom and classmates. We will discuss the Bureau of Fire Protection and the following. First is the power and function. Second, organization and key official of BFP. Third, qualification of BFP. Then fourth, rank and classification. Fifth, appointment of uniformed personnel of the BFP. Then pang-6 ay attrition system of uniformed personnel of the BFP. Simulan natin siya sa power and function. The Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP, is mandated by Philippine Law, Republic Act No. 6975 to prevent and suppress destructive fire across various properties, enforce the fire code, investigate fire origins, and respond to national emergencies and disaster. The power and function of the BFP are divided into the following primary areas. First is fire prevention and suppression target areas. The BFP is responsible for preventing and extinguishing fires in buildings, houses, forests, land transportation vehicles, ships, vessels in port, and petroleum installations. Nagko-conduct din sila ng fire safety inspection. Regular safety checks on structure are required. Fire safety evaluation before building permits are issued. So, tulad na lamang ng mga bagong building na gawa sa school. Before they issue a permit to allow everyone or the public to use that building, chine-check muna nila kung safe ba dun. In case na magkaroon ng fire, meron bang fire exit na matatakbuhan yung mga tao para makaalis agad. O fire extinguisher na naka-standby in case na magkaroon nga ng sunog. Ginagawa nila to o kahit papaano hindi na masyadong lumaki yung sunog kung magkaroon man. Para din maging safety ang lahat. Secondly is the enforcement of the fire code. The agency administers and enforces Republic Act No. 9514, the revised Fire Code of the Philippines, which establishes the highest standard for fire safety and protection. Just like what I said kanina, is buildings must maintain continuous unobstructed routes of fire to public way. For example, the minimum clear width for new stairways must be at least 1,120 mm. Third is the arson investigation, origin, and cause. The BFP is the primary authority tasked with investigating all causes of fire. There are the legal action when necessary. Authorized BFP officers are empowered to file appropriate criminal or administrative complaints with the property city or provincial prosecutor's office. Ang BFP talaga daw ay ang responsible sa pag-investigate ng all cause of fire. Tulad ng pag nagkaroon ng sunog sa kapitbahay, sila yung nag-investigate kung anong cause o kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari, bakit nagkasunog. Kapag nag-investigate na sila kung anong cause or what, if ever sinadya siya, may karapatan silang mag-file ng appropriate criminal or administrative complaints with the proper city or provincial prosecutor's office.
And for our number 4, the emergency and disaster response. The BFP follows an all-hazard response under the Republic Act of 11589, meaning they respond to both natural and man-made emergencies such as disaster, accident, and hazmat accident. They also coordinate with LGUs and NDRRMC for faster and more organized operations. And for our number 5, emergency medical services or EMS. The BFP provides pre-hospital care through trained rescue teams, giving immediate medical assistance before the victims could reach the hospital. They also handle mass casualty incidents and support recovery during emergencies.
The BFP organization and key officials. The Bureau of Fire Protection, or the BFP, is the agency under the Department of Interior and Local Government, or DILG. This agency is responsible for protecting people and protecting property from fire and other emergencies in the Philippines. Group and key officials. The BFP is headed by a chief that assisted by the two deputy chiefs and a chief directorial staff that maintain organization and system inside the BFP.
Who can join and what is the general qualification of BFP? Application for initial appointment must meet the following. Una is citizenship. A person must be a citizen of the Philippines o a Filipino citizen. Sa age naman is generally 21 to 30 years old. When it comes to height and weight naman, with height requirements, male at least 1.57 meters or 5 feet and 2 inches tall. Sa female naman, at least 1.52 meters or 5 feet. And for the weight, must not more or less than 5 kg of the standard weight corresponding to your specific height, age, and sex. Exceptions. When it comes to height, there are waivers na inaalaw nila o tinatanggap nila, which is granted lang to for those who is part of the indigenous people. Education naman is a bachelor of degree from a recognized institution of learning. Sa eligibility naman, must possess the appropriate civil service eligibility o CSC second level, which is nandito yung RA 1080, PD 907, CS Professional o FOE, and Marina. Kung so physical naman is must pass the neuropsychiatric evaluations, medical examination, and drug tests. Sa karakter naman is a good moral character and no criminal record.
Classification for BFP. The Bureau of Fire Protection or BFP uses a same ranking system to or similar ranking system to Philippine National Police and Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. All ranks are prefixed with the word fire and they are divided into two groups, commissioned officer and non-commissioned officer. For the commissioned officer, these are the higher ranking officials responsible for leadership, command, and decision making. The highest rank is fire director, equivalent to Major General. This is chief of the BFP. Next is fire chief superintendent, equivalent to Brigadier General, followed by Fire Senior Superintendent, equivalent to Colonel, then Fire Superintendent, equivalent to Lieutenant Colonel, then next is Fire Chief Inspector, correspond to Major, Fire Senior Inspector is equivalent to Captain, and lastly, the Fire Inspector is equivalent to Lieutenant. For our non-commissioned officer, these are the personnel who carry out the field of operation and day-to-day tasks. The highest in this group is Senior Fire Officer 4, followed by Senior Fire Officer 3, Senior Fire Officer 2, and Senior Fire Officer 1. Then come with the Fire Officer rank, Fire Officer 3, Fire Officer 2, and Fire Officer 1, which is the entry level on the position of BFP. In short, the BFP ranking system starts from Fire Officer 1 at the entry level and progresses up to Fire Director as the highest rank. With the increasing responsibility, authority, and leadership roles at each level.
Simulan natin dito sa Fire Non-Officer Rank Insignia. Sa isang ranggo, we have the Fire Officer 1 o Private First Class. Kapag naman dalawang arko ang meron is ang tawag ay Fire Officer 2 o Corporal. Pag tatlong arko naman is Fire Officer 3 o Sergeant. Pag tatlong arko tapos isang galon, Senior Fire Officer 1 o Staff Sergeant. Then kapag tatlong arko then dalawang galon, Senior Fire Officer 2 o Technical Sergeant. Pag tatlong arko, tatlong galon, Ang tawag naman sa kanya is Senior Fire Officer 3 o Master Sergeant. Pag naman tatlong arko, then apat na galon, then isang star sa gitna, ang tawag sa kanya Senior Fire Officer 4 o Senior Master Sergeant. The next is the Fire Officer rank insignia naman sa Commission Officer. Unahin natin yung Inspector o Lieutenant, kung saan meron siyang isang sampagita leaves o gintong sampagita leaves. Then pangalawa naman is yung Senior Inspector o Captain. Meron siyang dalawang gintong sampagita leaves. Then we have the Fire Chief Inspector o Major, kung saan may isang araw sa badge. Then Fire Superintendent o Lieutenant Colonel na may dalawang araw sa badge. Then Fire Senior Superintendent o Colonel na may tatlong araw sa badge. Then Fire Chief Superintendent o Brigadier General na may isang star sa badge. Then Fire Director Major General kapag naman may dalawang star sa badge.
This slide presents the appointment and classification system of uniformed personnel in the Bureau of Fire Protection. The appointing authority depends on the rank of the personnel. For the highest position in the BFP, such as the Chief and Deputy Chiefs, the appointing is made by the President of the Philippines because these positions carry major responsibilities in national leadership and public safety. Next, officers holding the rank of Fire Superintendent and above are appointed by the Secretary of the DILG upon recommendation of the BFP Chiefs. For ranks from Fire Inspector to Fire Superintendent, the authority to appoint belongs to the Chief of the Fire Bureau. Lastly, lower-ranking personnel from Fire Officer 1 to Senior Fire Officer 4 are appointed by the Regional Director. These classification systems helps maintain discipline, proper supervision, and organized chain of the command within the BFP.
Authorization system of uniformed personnel of BFP. Authorization by promotion. Uniformed personnel who have not been promoted a long period of time, for example, is 10 years, may be separated or retired. Yung mga taong or mga uniform personnel natin na hindi pa napapromote within 10 years, they are maybe separated or retired. Kagaya ng sa PNP, they are retired or separated. The second authorization is by non-retention. The personnel who do not meet the qualification within the specific time or fail to perform their duties in satisfactory, they face separation. So, pag hindi natin nakuha yung qualification na or na-meet natin yung qualification within the specific time, we are failed to perform our duties. We may be face a separation or we will face a separation. The third is authorization by maximum tenure. The specific position, maximum tenure must retire or reassign upon the completion. Dito na-reassign yung ibang personnel natin within the specific position na ililipat sila sa other department or other position. So, because of that, they can comply or they complete their own duties with the maximum tenure. This authorization system by uniformed personnel of BFP is parang kagaya lang siya ng sa PNP na kailangan din ma-meet ang standard.